This is a video on how to disable all your plugins. And what usually happens is when you update some of your plugins, something is conflicting on your site. And you will see this page where it says there has been a critical error on this website. So the best thing to do is to deactivate all the plugins. But how do you do that when you can't get to the back end and this is all you see? So there's a couple of ways of doing that. So the first one is if you have access to your hosting, you can go into your file manager. Wait till it loads, and you can see all your files, and you can go to where it says WP content, and you can look for this plugins, and you can rename this file. And this will, once you rename this file, all the plugins will be deactivated. After you change that file to plugins old, you can go back to your plugins and you can see the dashboard will be saying that the file, the plugin has been deactivated or due to an error. So now I just refresh the page and you can see that there's no plugins at all. So now we can troubleshoot and see whatever ones. So we can go back to the file manager. WP content. Rename it back to plugins. Go back to your admin, and you'll see all the plugins are there, but they're all deactivated. So you need to go back and activate them. So the other way of disabling all your plugins would be through the database. So you'd find the database in your hosting. It's going to be different than mine because every hosting is different. So you look for where it says database and then either manage files, whatever it is, or PHP admin. That's where we're going to be going. So it's going to be a screen like this, and you're going to look here on the left-hand side, and you're going to look for options. Click on that. Might want to put more than 25 rows, and then you're going to look for active. You're going to edit this active plugins. We're going to do A:1:, this brace, but we're going to take all this stuff out of here and put 0. So just like that. Press go. Then you're going to go back to your plugins. You're going to see all of them are ready to activate. So what I would do is I'd go through each one of them and start activating it. And if there's any issue with it and you start getting that critical error again, you know that that's the plugin that is causing you an issue. And then it either needs to be updated or you need to talk to the manufacturer of the plugin. I hope that helps you.